Hey everyone, welcome back to Trove, your home for the biggest leaks, boldest innovations, and everything unfolding in the world of tech. And today, we're stepping into the future because the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is already shaping up to be the foldable phone that changes everything. We're talking about a completely invisible crease, a possible S Pen comeback, and even rumors of two foldable models launching side by side in 2026. This could be the moment Samsung perfects the foldable dream, a device that finally blurs the line between a smartphone and a tablet. So, let's unfold all the details and dive right into the leaks, insider confirmations, and game-changing upgrades that could redefine Samsung's future. The next chapter in foldable history. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the latest chapter in Samsung's revolutionary foldable lineup, a series that's consistently pushed the boundaries of what mobile devices can do, from the experimental first-generation Fold back in 2019 to the ultra-refined Z Fold 7. Every model has taken us one step closer to perfection, but this time, things are different. Reports suggest that Samsung isn't just polishing the design, it's rewriting the rulebook. The Z Fold 8 could feature an invisible, creaseless hinge that delivers a truly seamless transition between smartphone and tablet modes. No bumps, no lines, no interruptions, just one smooth, unbroken display that looks and feels like a single sheet of glass. And that's not all. The S Pen, one of Samsung's most loved accessories, and might finally be making its long-awaited comeback, whether through new hardware, support, or an entirely reimagined stylus system. Samsung seems ready to bring back that classic note-style precision for creators and power users alike. Release date expectations. So, when can we expect the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 to actually hit store shelves? While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the date yet, the company's past patterns give us a pretty clear picture. The Z Fold 7 was announced on July 9, 2025, and released later that same month on July 25th. Before that, the Z Fold 6 followed nearly the same playbook, revealed on July 10th, launched on July 24th. If Samsung sticks to its now familiar schedule, we can confidently expect the Galaxy Z Fold 8 to be unveiled in early July 2026, likely during the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event, with a retail release in late July. Now, historically, Samsung's early Fold models were announced later in the year, around August or September. So, while an August launch isn't impossible, the brand seems to have locked in July as its annual Fold celebration month. Given how much marketing momentum Samsung builds around Unpacked events, it's safe to say mid to late July 2026 will be the magic window for the Fold 8's big reveal. It's already confirmed. Fold 8 is in design. Here's where things get even more exciting, because the Galaxy Z Fold 8's existence has already been officially confirmed. During July 2025, just weeks after the Z Fold 7's release, a Samsung South Africa executive told Android Authority that a Fold 8 is already in design. That's not speculation. That's confirmation straight from Samsung's ranks. Of course, it's no secret that tech giants plan their devices years ahead. But hearing an official statement like that gives fans solid reassurance. The Fold 8 isn't just coming, it's already being built. That means Samsung's engineers are likely deep into prototyping, hinge testing, and finalizing materials as we speak. And that's a strong sign that Samsung is confident this next Fold will deliver something truly different. The game changer, a creaseless foldable display. Let's talk about the upgrade that could define the Z Fold 8 era, the invisible crease. For years, one of the biggest criticisms of foldable phones has been that visible line running down the center. Even the Z Fold 7, for all its polish, couldn't fully hide it. But according to top industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Samsung is finally ready to change that. The company is reportedly switching to laser-drilled display metal plates, a cutting-edge technology that allows for tighter, cleaner folds without the stress marks or wrinkles we've come to accept. It's the same tech Apple is rumored to be developing for its own foldable iPhone, meaning Samsung is playing at the absolute bleeding edge of display engineering. If this works, the Fold 8 could become the first truly creaseless foldable smartphone, delivering a visual experience that feels natural, uninterrupted, and completely premium. Imagine unfolding your device and not seeing a single line down the middle. That's the kind of innovation that makes people say, okay, now I'm ready to buy a foldable. The return of the S Pen and material innovations. But the upgrades don't stop at the display. Leaks suggest that the S Pen, a fan favorite tool from the Galaxy Note series, could finally return to the Fold lineup. Here's the fascinating part. The Z Fold 7 used a full titanium backplate for added strength and a slimmer profile, but titanium has one big drawback. It interferes with the digitizer layer that enables S Pen functionality. Now, reports indicate Samsung might be switching to a hybrid construction for the Fold 8, using both titanium and carbon fiber reinforced plastic. That second material, carbon fiber, was used in earlier Fold generations and works perfectly with stylus tech. So, this change isn't just about design. It could be a deliberate move to restore stylus support. Even more interesting? Samsung is reportedly experimenting with a new type of stylus that doesn't rely on a digitizer at all. If successful, it could allow S Pen-style functionality without adding bulk or hardware compromises. This would give Samsung the freedom to keep the Fold 8 slim, durable, and elegant, while still giving users the creative control they've been asking for. 2 Fold 8 models, the big surprise. Now here's where things take a dramatic turn. A new leak from September 2025 suggests Samsung could be launching 2 Fold 8 models side by side. The first one, the standard Fold 8, will carry the traditional 10.9 aspect ratio we're used to. But the second? It could feature a completely new 1.1 square display when unfolded. That means equal width and height. A perfect square design. Ideal for multitasking, drawing, and creative use. For reference, the Fold 7 screen was taller, then it was wide, so a 1.1 aspect ratio would feel more like using a compact tablet, perfect for side-by-side apps or immersive media viewing. This rumored model could be Samsung's direct response to Apple's foldable iPhone, which insiders believe will have a significantly larger unfolded display. The name? Still unknown. It could be called the Z Fold 8 Plus, Z Fold 8 XL, or perhaps a new sub-brand like Z Folio or Z Folder. Whatever Samsung decides, one thing is clear. The Fold lineup could soon split into 2 unique categories. One for portability and productivity, and another for power users and creators. Why it matters. When you look at the bigger picture, the Z Fold 8 represents more than just another yearly refresh. It's Samsung's chance to set a new benchmark, to finally eliminate the biggest pain points of foldables. Creases, bulk, and compromise. If Samsung nails the invisible crease, revives S Pen support, and possibly expands the lineup, this could be the moment the foldable market matures from niche to mainstream. And for consumers, that means better design, more competition, and more innovation across the entire smartphone industry.